Looking for a budget-friendly rapid trigger keyboard that's both fast and accurate, one that won't freak out if you set the rapid trigger sensitivity as low as 0.06mm? Well, I might just have the keyboard for you. Today we're checking out the Eweadn Battle68, a 68% layout keyboard priced at just $50. While it might not be the absolute fastest on the market, it still delivers highly competitive performance for its price. In this review, we'll do a quick unboxing, examine its build quality, and put its accuracy and speed to the test. Inside the box, you'll find a fairly standard set of accessories which might even be considered generous for the price. You get the keyboard in an eye-catching red and black colorway that's perfect for darker or red-themed setups. Alongside that, there's a standard USB-C cable, a few extra key switches, plus a keycap and key switch puller. The keyboard's construction is solid for the cost. It features an aluminum switch plate with ABS keycaps, at least I think they're ABS. My unit has side-printed legends, an interesting choice that I'll discuss in a moment. Under the switch plate, there's Poron foam, a PCB board, a silicone dampener, and a base shell. Both the top and bottom case are plastic, but they feel sturdy and well made. Despite several layers of dampening, the keyboard sound profile is a bit loud and echoey. Let's do a quick sound test so you can judge for yourself. The sound is acceptable, but I wish it were slightly quieter and fuller. That said, for a $50 keyboard, it's nothing a bit of modding can't improve. The keyboard's RGB is functional and helps with visibility, especially since the side-printed legends can be harder to read in normal lighting conditions. I personally set a static blue color to contrast the dark red theme and make the legends easier to see. I appreciate the 60% layout because it's compact yet still includes arrow keys. The bottom case also features adjustable feet, offering two different typing angles. Eweadn claims that this board can deliver highly accurate rapid trigger sensitivity down to as low as 0.02mm. From my experience, many budget rapid trigger keyboards struggle even at 0.1mm, so this is a bold claim. To test accuracy, I use my standard method with a micrometer to measure key movement. At the recommended minimum of 0.06mm, I was genuinely surprised by its precision. The readings were accurate and I didn't encounter any glitches. At more conservative setting like 1mm actuation and 0.1mm rapid trigger, the keyboard performed flawlessly. The stability at such low thresholds is impressive, especially at this price point. How does it perform overall? While it's not as lightning fast as some top tier options, it still delivers excellent results. After 10 test runs, filmed using my Sony RX100 Mark VII with Overwatch 2 on an MSI 321 URX monitor, I averaged around 27 milliseconds response time. Compared to something like a Eweadn keyboard, which might shave off a few milliseconds, this difference is negligible for most users, especially when you consider the Battle68's budget price. The keyboard uses a web-based app for customization. You can remap keys, set shortcuts, record macros, edit RGB, and most importantly, fine-tune rapid trigger and actuation settings. While the keyboard allows you to go as low as 0.02mm, that's almost too sensitive for practical use. I recommend sticking to the suggested 0.06 as I've tested, or higher. Personally, I usually land around the 0.2–0.3mm range to avoid accidental inputs. So is the Eweadn Battle68 right for you? If you're on a budget and want a rapid trigger analog keyboard that's accurate, fast, and well built, this is one of the best options available at $50. You get a solid performance, reliable accuracy, and a feature set that outperforms many competitors in its price category. Thanks for watching. I'm Laser, and I'll see you in the next one.